Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I say thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my presentation today. My name is Hanifa Rahmawati. I'm third semester student from the English Education Department. This presentation is for the Reading 3 course, the lecture taught by Mrs. Pitrining CMPD. And today, I'd like to present my paper entitled Improving Student Reading Comprehension Through SQ3R Method. This presentation, I will explain the background of the study, the research method, the research findings, and the conclusion. I hope this presentation can give the clear understanding of the topic. Let's begin the presentation. The first, I will explain the background. Students at SMK Al-Amin Cibarus had difficulties understanding English text, especially descriptive text. They lacked vocabulary, struggled to identify text structure and details, and weren't motivated during reading activities. Because learning wasn't engaging and their comprehension was low, the researchers applied the SQ3R method to help improve student reading comprehension. Problem statement. Students faced difficulties in the first, understanding descriptive and narrative text, the second, finding detail and main ideas, the third, comprehending vocabulary, the fourth, staying motivated in reading activities. The purpose of the study. The first, improve student reading comprehension using the SQ3R method. The second, observe student improvement through 3 learning cycles. The third, evaluate reading achievement after applying SQ3R. The improvement observed. Students show improvement in vocabulary mastery, understanding text structure, finding detailed information, confidence during reading activities, motivation and participation in class. Discussion. The first, SQ3R made reading activities more structured and engaging. The second, students become more active and enthusiastic during lessons. The third, the method helped students recall information more easily. The last, the teacher found it easier to measure student reading comprehension. What is SQ3R method? S survey, key question, 3R, read, recite, review. A structured reading strategy that helps students understand text more effectively, encourages active reading and deeper comprehension. Explanation. SQ3R. The first survey, look over these texts like titles, headings, and the pictures. The second question, create question from what is surveyed. The third, read the text carefully to find answers. The fourth, recite, summarize key points in your own words. The last, review, recheck important ideas and clarify understanding. Research method. Method Classroom Action Research or CER. Cycles. 3 cycles that planning, acting, observing, reflecting. Participant 40 student grade 10. Data collection. Pre-test, post-test, observation, and interviews. Research finding. Students show improvement across 3 cycles. Cycle 1, effort 67.1 until 44%. Cycle 2, effort 73 until 63.7%. Cycle 3, effort 81.2 until 86.3. Students become more motivated, more confident, and understood text better. Vocabulary mastery improved and learning become more active. Conclusion. Based on the result of the research, it can be concluded that SQ3R survey, question, read, recite, review. Method is effective in improving student reading comprehension. The student reading score increase in each cycle, showing better achievement from cycle 1 to cycle 3. In addition, the use of SQ3R makes students more active, motivated, and confident during the reading process and created a more effective and enjoyable learning environment. And now, I will mention the strength and weakness of this journal. The first, strength journal. Clear implementation of the SQ3R method. Appropriate classroom action research design. Significant improvement in student reading comprehension. Relevant to reading instruction and then conducted in real classroom context. The second weakness journal is no control group for conferhension, lack of detailed assessment instrument, language and grammatical issues, limited variety of text types, and limited sample size. Okay, that's all for me for this presentation. I hope the explanation I have given can be clearly understood and be useful for all of us. I'd like to apologize if there are any mistake or shortcoming in my presentation. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I'm open to any question or suggestion. That's all from me. Thank you. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.